All right, welcome back. So AMD stock. So this is an update. It's been a while. So stock closed on Thursday, July 18th, right at its 200-day moving average. 153 low of the day, 156. That's where it closed into market close, 2.5% down. SMH index pulling back pretty good as well. So this rally that AMD had last week or so, where it was pretty big push from its 50-day moving average all the way to 187. A little bit of a consolidation up there, couldn't get back above, couldn't hold above that level, and in 3 days or so it just gave it right back up. So what I'm watching for the stock. So last time we spoke about this name, we were talking about this name being not doing as well as other semiconductor names, and year to date, if AMD crosses below 146.50, this stock will be negative year to date. So right here, right now, where this stock is sitting, this is a pretty solid range where it has been trading. So years low 140 and years high 227. So from its all-time highs, from this high of it was March 8th or so, stock has pulled back 30%. Of course, very recently it did recover some of it, or it did have a rally back. The fact that it gave back means that yes, we were absolutely right about having 183 as a resistance, where the stock had a hard time breaking out and then coming right back down. And I was watching a few months back as this level as a possible head and shoulders level, where this would be your shoulders, and I was watching the stock maybe could pull back towards $130 level. So right here, right now, well, again, right back into the range, and this level of 200-day moving average and also 147-ish, I will be watching it as a support. If it tries to bounce, well, you will know that there are supplies sitting and very fresh people who got trapped at these levels. So right here, right now, well, we have a big option expiration, which is coming up tomorrow, monthly OPEX. And after that, July 31st, looks like, I don't know if this date is confirmed or not confirmed. 30th June, July, after market close, stock is reporting earnings. So until then, yeah, we had ASML report earnings, we had TSM report earnings. AI theme, of course, hasn't gone anywhere. We could be just getting a correction, or we could be just getting some sort of consolidation where people are not happy to pay up. They want a little bit more discount, but you know the big dogs are, AMD is not catching up to this hype compared to other names that benefited a lot more. Just compare it with the best performer or the beneficiary of the AI theme, NVIDIA. If you take a look at it year to date, 146% up. So outperforming the heck out of AMD. And I am someone who does not chase or look elsewhere when something is performing crazy. You want to trade what's hot if you are a trader, okay? If you are an investor, probably there is a saying as well. There is a reason why certain names underperform, even though they're in the same category. It could be anything. You have to look at the business. A while back, I was showing on AMD their cash flow, their debt outstanding, and free cash flow. So you can go back and take a look at that part, but I'm not going to pinpoint that level. But there is a reason why it is trading at this level. And there is a reason why it is not as attractive compared to many names. You can see AMD, like let's say if you bought AMD back in 2021, you would be breaking even. You would have dead money, basically 2 years of doing nothing and maybe even losing on inflation. So my point here is that AMD, no matter what it does, I mean, the only thing that can push this name is earnings, solid earnings and solid guidance. Okay, so but I'm in the camp that it can go lower, and I'm not somebody who is attracted at these levels to the stock, given its valuation and at the moment AMD's market capitalization. Let's take a look at what is it right now at this price. $251 billion. That's the market capitalization of AMD. So what support area I would be watching? So on a weekly chart, you can see I'm watching so far. So that year ends basically beginning of the year where the stock opened. So that would be 146, where it closed actually last year, 146.50-ish. And I would be watching more of this breakout of last year, 130, as a possible area to possibly trade it towards is 200-day moving average. But I'm going to be watching this 200-day moving average and 146 as well as a potential support. If it cracks, I would be watching definitely to possibly maybe trade it for 10 points. Again, I talk about in these videos from traders' perspective. I'm not somebody who has crystal balls who can predict what's going to happen from 5 years, 10, 20 years from now. So that's why these are not investment advices and these are not trading advices at all. These are purely for education and entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next one.